Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan and I'm so excited you're here. We're gonna do a quick unboxing video for you today. Inside this box is a Lily Jade Elizabeth in Gray, which is on sale right now. The sale price right now is $245, which is $100 off what this price originally was, and only because this is a color that they are phasing out, but it is so beautiful. So let's take a look at it. Okay, I have somehow never owned a gray Lily Jade, and this color, this is Natural Sunlight, is beyond gorgeous. I know I say that every time about a Lily Jade bag, but it's always true. The Elizabeth is possibly my favorite style Lily Jade of all time. My first Lily Jade I ever bought, here, I'll talk while I take off the paper. The first Lily Jade I ever bought was an Elizabeth. It was a used red canvas Elizabeth that I got for a steal of a deal on Facebook, and I loved that bag. I loved it. And that was, gosh, more than 3 years ago, I think now. Maybe exactly 3 years ago. And I fell in love with that bag. I love the pockets of the Elizabeth. I've been using my camel Elizabeth now for almost a month, pretty much exclusively, and it does everything I need it to and more. I've gotten some questions in the past because, I don't know, there's like some negativity, controversy around the Elizabeth's carrying styles, I guess. But I wear the bag primarily over my shoulder. The drop length works great, meaning like the shoulder straps are super comfortable for me. And I usually keep the backpack strap as a crossbody strap, which is the only Lily Jade bag I do that with. So the Elizabeth for me is not a backpack style bag generally, unless I need to change it up on the go or something like that. And the reason being on the backpack is not because the Elizabeth is like so uncomfortable that you can't wear it that way. Like you absolutely can, and I have in the past, like during different outings, switched up and worn it as a backpack. P.S. Now that the paper's off, holy crud. When I wear my Lily Jade bags backpack style, I can't as easily reach in and grab everything I need. Now that's just like a function of the backpack. Nothing that Lily Jade is doing wrong in their backpack style, but I really prefer, if possible, to have my bags over my shoulder or crossbody because my kids need so much stuff all the time. And so that way I can just like reach in to one of Elizabeth's million pockets and grab what I need, hand it to my kid, and I don't have to like take it off my back every time. I don't know, completely personal preference, but that's just me and how I make the Elizabeth work best for our family and for my needs as a mom on the go all the time with 3 kids. If you are a new Lily Jade gal, the Elizabeth, this one that's on sale for such a freaking good deal, comes with the Lily Jade insert and change pad. This thing has so many pockets, it's machine washable, it has a little handle so you can grab it in and out of the bag super easily. It's this beautiful color, like everything is top notch. And your bag will also come with this messenger strap slash backpack strap depending on how you want to use it, and we've talked all about that already. So I'm gonna take this paper off and then unroll it, and I'm going to just immediately clip it onto the D-rings right here because that's the way I'm going to carry this bag today, right now. I'm gonna do a quick let's move everything from my other Elizabeth into this one just for kicks and giggles. So let's do that now. So let's first just unpack everything I have in my Elizabeth right now. I've been using mostly this bag for about a month, so it's time to give her a break. We'll put her in a safe place. I'm gonna first take my wipes and just plop those in the middle there, and then I have like a bunch of smaller items, and I'm gonna put these in the zipper pocket. All of this stuff is kind of ever changing, but it's whatever medical needs, hair tie stuff that I need from my kids at the moment, so I'm gonna put that in there with the wipes as well. Change pad, of course, goes in the side pocket here. And then I'm gonna put the diaper, this little extra onesie, just in all of these little pockets around the outside of the bag. I'm gonna fold up this wet bag, nice and small. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead, take the insert and put it all right into the Elizabeth. Now my favorite pocket is this back pocket, which is where I put my wallet, and it snaps perfectly closed. In this front pocket's where I like to not keep paper, but put my keys in this other one. I'll take paper out of there too. And drop in some of those diaper baggies and my hand sanitizer. And then this front matching magnetic pocket is where I like to keep my phone. And at this point, I just have a few items left. So I'm gonna take my moccasins, my baby's moccasins, and put those in the side pocket. I usually reach those as soon as we get in the car anyway. Sunglasses go in the interior sunglass pocket with the bib right next to it. And this one last item, after everything else is packed up beautifully, I'm going to just pop on because it's super cute and makes my outfit a bit more sassy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video is a bit more casual, but it's what I had time for today. And don't forget to hit subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I'm at Megan Kingsford over there. And I will see you guys in my next video soon. Bye!